Behold, these are the elevators at the One Plaza East apartment building in Salisbury, Maryland. They've been modernized by ThyssenKrupp, I think. And look at those new buttons. I don't even like them. Hate to tell you this, but they have been modernized. Should take a look in there. Yup, once Otis, modernized. Let's go into the basement. Yep, basement works. Your basement? Yep, modernized by Delaware elevator. With the upgrade levels, yeah. Whoa, levels. Both of them lead to the basement. Let's go up to 7. I don't think they don't light up. Yep, one's Otis, modernized by Delaware. With no lanterns. Lobby. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. We were at 7. Oh, let's send this one down. The other one. Look at the view of Salisbury. Over there is Holiday Inn Express. Oh, look at that. The Eastern Shore Drive Medical Building over there I used to film, yeah. Right over there is the Wycomico Health Department. And right over there is the District Court Multi-Service Center building where I got busted at. I can't believe it. Used to be Old Otis for decades, but now modernized by Delaware with epical fixtures. That's weird. Why did I always get the same one? The lobby. Let's get a cab view. I can't believe the cab is brand new now. And it's a little small. The user certificate, emergency phone button, and the capacity is 2,000 pounds. 4. 3. I like these fixtures like these I've seen at Ocean City. Hope these will do see one out of Canada. Maybe. Maybe not. Send this up to 6. Whoa! It's like I'm running again. Let's light this one up. Huh? This one has an annoying fan. And this one doesn't go to the basement either. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. There's 7. Go back to lobby. Go close the line. This one, ouch. Yep, this one used to have the old fornicator. 6. 5. And I sure like those fixtures so much. Like the ones I seen before in Ocean City. 2. The lobby. I wonder why these elevators control like the level. Such a close. That's it.